This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, November the 13th, 2012. And now, our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have pretty much a zonal flow across the country, but it's not really zonal from the Pacific. It's zonal coming in from the north and west as cold air continues to flood the country. It'll be a skosh warmer today than yesterday. Highs will be in the upper 30s north and east to near 50 south and west with partly to mostly sunny skies. As we head into Wednesday, winds begin to switch a little bit to the south and southwest. That'll boost temperatures well into the 40s to lower 50s across the state with still mostly to partly sunny skies. Thursday, same story, maybe a degree or two warmer, upper 40s, lower 50s with partly to mostly sunny skies and little chance of any precipitation. As we head to Friday, we still see maybe a degree or two warmer, maybe 48 to maybe about 56 or 57 across the state. Warmest in the south and west. As we head to Saturday, we still may see 50s across the state. Lower to middle 50s, but still dry and still mainly sunny across the area. Sunday, not changing a whole heck of a lot. Readings still in the 50s, maybe a few upper 40s, but sunshine continues to behold. Monday, though, there could be a disturbance that could bring a shower or so. Chances are pretty remote, maybe about 20% or so. Highs still remaining around 50, a couple degrees either side. And a week from today, next Tuesday, we still have a ridge in place, but a trough is digging into our west with some energy along it, the Intermountain West up and into the plains. And with that could bring a storm system. The winds come up from the south and the Gulf opens, so some showers, maybe a better chance, 20 to maybe 30% at that, with highs in the 50s once more. A couple days later, on the 24th, this is on the Saturday after Thanksgiving, we have a zonal flow across the country, winds coming mainly out of the Pacific. And when we have winds out of the Pacific, we typically have some, mild air, not overly hot and not overly cold, so seasonal temperatures maybe in the 40s and 50s across the state with a lot of the storminess well to our north. And at the end of the forecast, on the 27th, we have a big upper level feature over the Great Lakes and a big vortex there, and that could bring a pretty big storm system, and that'll bring a dump of cold air down, maybe some snow at that point, and highs maybe in the 30s with wind chills down in the single digits and teens. But last night's satellite image showed the frontal system that took away all the record high temperatures of the weekend and warm temperatures, and it's now off on the east coast. Some low clouds around here with a few flurries earlier last evening and the day before, and some clouds to the west. The watch warning map from last evening showed freeze warnings in the south down into Texas, a winter weather advisory up here in Montana. Elsewhere, it's fairly quiet and mainly cold across the country. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, showing nothing around here. All the precipitation well to our east and over the Pacific Northwest, and that's where it's going to stay for the next couple of days.